Poet, Lover, Birdwatcher by Nissim Ezekiel. This is the poem. Introduction to the poem. Nissim Ezekiel's Poet, Lover, Birdwatcher is a reflective and philosophical poem that explores the similarities between a poet, a lover, and a birdwatcher. The poem presents a contemplative tone and highlights patience, observation, and depth of experience as vital elements in art, love, and nature. Common quality patience. The poem emphasizes that all three poet, lover, and birdwatcher must possess immense patience. The act of waiting is central. Just as a birdwatcher waits quietly for birds to appear, a lover waits for reciprocation, and a poet waits for inspiration. Poetry and the art of waiting. The poet must wait for the right words and genuine emotions. Good poetry cannot be rushed. Ezekiel believes that truth in poetry emerges only when it is approached with sensitivity, attentiveness, and inner quiet. The lover's journey. The lover, like the poet, must slowly understand the beloved's mind and emotions. The poem highlights the sensual and emotional connection in love. Real affection comes with time and discovery, not haste. Birdwatcher's patience as a metaphor. The birdwatcher becomes a metaphor for both poet and lover. Waiting in stillness and silence for the bird's appearance is likened to the creative and emotional waiting involved in poetry and love. Deeper insight into reality. The poem suggests that true poetry, real love, and meaningful experience of nature come only when one slows down and listens deeply. Hasty efforts yield nothing lasting or real. Nature and human emotion. Nature is not only a background in the poem but also a teacher. Just as birds are best seen in wild, natural places, so too must poets and lovers venture into the deeper, raw places of life and emotion. Final message discovery of the real. The poem ends on a note that truth, whether poetic, romantic, or natural, can only be discovered through devoted waiting. Only in such stillness does the rare word come to the poet, the true love to the lover, and the rare bird to the watcher. Conclusion. Ezekiel beautifully interweaves three disciplines to convey that true understanding and beauty are attained not through force, but through quiet waiting, sensitivity, and deep engagement with life.